What if the secret to younger-looking skin, stronger joints, and less pain was already sitting in your kitchen? Today, we're going to look at 4 natural foods packed with collagen that could change the way you feel every single day. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together: your skin, your joints, your bones, even your gut lining. When you're young, your body makes plenty of it. But after 50, that production starts to slow down. You might notice it in your skin. It's not as firm as it used to be. Or in your knees and hips. They're a little stiffer in the morning. Maybe your digestion isn't quite what it was. Now, a lot of people spend good money on collagen supplements, and those can help. But there are 4 natural foods that have been used for centuries to rebuild collagen from the inside out. They're affordable, they're simple to prepare, and your body knows exactly what to do with them. Let's go through each one. The first food might surprise you. Chicken feet. Now, I know what you're thinking, but hear me out. Chicken feet are one of the richest natural sources of collagen on the planet. About 70% of the protein in chicken feet is pure collagen. That collagen goes to work in your body supporting your joints. Research suggests it may help reduce the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Less stiffness, less pain, more ease of movement. It also supports your skin, helping to improve hydration and elasticity. And chicken feet are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and folate, all of which support your bones. Here's how to prepare them. The best way to get the collagen out of chicken feet is to make a broth. Start by cleaning them thoroughly and blanching them in boiling water for about 5 minutes. That removes the outer layer of skin. Then, place them in a large pot or slow cooker. Cover with water. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar. That helps draw out the minerals. Add some garlic, a bay leaf, a little salt and pepper. Let it simmer on low for 6 to 8 hours. When it's done, you'll notice the broth is thick and gelatinous. That's the collagen. Strain it and you've got liquid gold. You can sip it warm like tea. You can use it as a base for soups. 1 to 2 cups a day is a great goal. Store it in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze it for up to 6 months. The second food is bone broth. And if you've heard of this one before, there's a good reason. Bone broth has been a staple in traditional diets around the world for centuries, and the science backs it up. When you simmer animal bones for a long time, they release collagen, amino acids, and minerals into the water. The amino acid glutamine is especially important. It supports your gut lining, which helps with digestion. The collagen supports your joints, reducing stiffness and improving mobility. And the minerals, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, strengthen your bones. Bone broth is also incredibly easy to digest. For seniors dealing with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues, it's one of the gentlest ways to get deep nutrition. Here's how to make it. Use chicken or beef bones. Organic, pasture-raised is best if you can find it. Place them in a slow cooker. Add carrots, celery, onion, a few bay leaves, and some whole peppercorns. Pour in enough water to cover everything. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps pull the minerals out of the bones. Set your slow cooker to low and let it go for 12 to 24 hours. The longer it cooks, the richer the broth. When it's done, strain out the solids. Season with a little salt and fresh herbs if you like. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day warm. It keeps in the fridge for about 5 days. You can also freeze it in ice cube trays for easy portions. It'll last up to 6 months in the freezer. The third food is pig skin. This is another one that might not be on your radar, but it's incredibly rich in collagen, specifically type 1 and type 3 collagen, which are the types most important for your skin and connective tissue. Studies have shown that porcine collagen, collagen from pigs, may help improve symptoms of osteoarthritis and support overall quality of life. It also helps maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Pig skin has been used as a traditional food in cultures around the world for centuries, and for good reason. There are a few simple ways to prepare it. You can slow cook pig skin in soups and stews until it becomes tender. It adds a rich, gelatinous texture. That's the collagen breaking down into a form your body can absorb. Another easy option is baked pork rinds. Look for ones that are baked, not deep fried. A small serving has about 5 to 7 grams of collagen protein. They make a convenient snack. You can also add pigskin to traditional dishes, beans, greens, rice dishes. Just simmer it low and slow with onion, garlic, herbs, and a splash of vinegar. The key is gentle, slow cooking to release the collagen without destroying it. The fourth food is fish, especially fish eaten with the skin on. Fish skin and bones contain marine collagen, which is type 1 collagen, the most abundant type in the human body. What makes marine collagen special is that it has smaller particles than collagen from other sources. That means your body may absorb it more easily. Fish collagen supports skin repair and may help delay visible signs of aging. And of course, fish gives you something the other foods on this list don't: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, which is especially important for joint comfort as you get older. The best fish for collagen are salmon, sardines, and mackerel. And the key is to eat them with the skin on. That's where the collagen lives. Pan-sear a salmon fillet skin side down until the skin is crispy. Bake or grill mackerel with a squeeze of lemon. Open a can of sardines, bones and all, and add them to a salad. These are simple, affordable ways to get marine collagen into your diet. You can also make a fish bone broth. Simmer fish heads and bones with vegetables for just 1 to 2 hours, much faster than meat broths. And here's a pro tip. Pair your fish with foods rich in vitamin C, like lemon, bell peppers, or tomatoes. Vitamin C helps your body absorb and use the collagen more effectively. So there you have it, 4 natural collagen foods that can support your skin, your joints, and your overall health as you age. Chicken feet, bone broth, pig skin, and fish. You don't need all 4 every day. Just try to include 1 or 2 of them in your meals a few times per week. Consistency matters more than quantity. And remember, pair them with vitamin C for the best results. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe.